To reduce carbon footprint and neutralize cost of operations, a school bus fleet integrated biodiesel blend and propane, which have worked very well.
So to reduce our carbon footprint and reduce our cost of operations or remain neutral on our cost of operations, looked at multiple different solutions. So there was a lot of grant money out there for emissions reductions using tailpipe emissions reduction technology, retrofits on vehicles. We did those for a while. Then we used some grants in order to started to look at a lot of alternative fuels, CNG, propane, biodiesel, hybrid, all electric, et cetera. But remember, the biggest part of our fleet is school bus application. And a school bus application is kind of an interesting animal all on its own because they run in the morning and then come back to base, and then they run in the afternoon and come back to base. And our buses average about 15,000 miles a year. So through a cost analysis, CNG wasn't necessarily a viable solution for us. It would have actually increased our cost rather than decreased our cost. So after going through many different factors, we went to a biodiesel blend, which actually it neutralized our cost, but it decreased our dependence on oil. So that offset our oil consumption by petroleum use by 105,000 gallons of diesel per year. We currently run about 2.1 million gallons of diesel yearly. And then through some new technologies that are on the market with propane and liquid propane injection systems, we started to bring in propane into the fleet. And we started, and once again, the fleet's at about 1,000 school buses. We're running about 850 routes, 850 to 860 routes daily, transporting 30,000 kids. So we started to integrate propane into one of our facilities with an 18,000 gallon fueling infrastructure and 25 buses. And we've expanded that out now. We're currently finishing up receiving an order of additional buses, which will bring it up to 85 buses. And then we're going to be purchasing more. The average annual savings for a propane school bus is $3,117 per year in fuel consumption alone. And that's on a DGE, diesel gallon equivalency.